giving up the ball to his teammates at the proper time.
Mukha siyang high jumper. Mukha siyang
Oh.
athlete. Oh. Rexby. Oo nga, no? 9-12, ano? Bang! Counter!
Okay, itong import na ito. Siya.
Yeah, tayo. Di ba? Nice drive.
Oh.
That's a neat drive to the basket.
7 points na siya. 4 of them on driving layups against Santos. Kay Brian Santos, napahirapan siya doon.
Oh, Grigsby gets it against the glass. And finally, he never is in double digits. Trying to roar back into this game, but still done by 15. We have a timeout. Oh, parang wala siyang angulo, eh. No?
Parang hindi niya makita.
Short corner.
Oh! Magaling sumaksak ito.
Ah.
Di-dribble papunta kaliwa eh.
Okay.
Yan, tapos aangat yung bola sa kanang kamay. So, that's his...
Here's Riley. Bang! Oh, what's it called?
Oh, yan ang tinawagan ng blocking foul. Coach Baby rin.
No.
Coach Baby na lupad.
Riley Grigsby with a rejection. Does not go for it. It's outside to Grigsby, who stretches in.
Basta napunta sa kaliwa, ang bilis. Nasanay sila kay Brownlee. No?
At saka si Brownlee, sanay sa kanila, di ba? Ito, iso play tayo. Fall away shot.
Good shot.
Yes, 2-0.
4 straight points.
Congested triangle. Isolation. Riley Grigsby tries to create the opening. Pinto whirling, trying to find room. Grigsby fires a 3. It's a 3.
Second 3-point shot conversion. Yung depensa nila is not really good. And their fast break transition defense is really bad. And good 3-point shot here. Improvement yung because he's a good passer and he's a good 3-point shooter. Ayan, nice play.
Oh, he almost wanted the dunk, 81-74.
May fouls to give ito eh. Abot kang 40.
Oh, yan.
Abot.
Nagpakilala siya sa atin. 40. And the foul. Okay. No whistle.
42 pa nga.
Oh. And the lead is down to 3.